अगर आपने अभी तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के बारे में अपडेट जानें।
Now age problem. You just solve this question. Age problem. Can you see this? Is this visible? Okay, so this is also very important question. Age problem. You just understand this age problem. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Now see students, which one we have to take x here? Sahil's mother is x or Sahil's age is x? Yes, because Sahil's mother is compared with Sahil, no? Right now? Sahil's mother is compared with Sahil. So let us consider the present age of Sahil is x. Let the present age of Sahil be x years. Is that clear, students? Okay, next, the present age of his mother. The present age of his mother. What will happen here? Present age of his mother. What is given here? Is 3 times. 3 times means what we have to take? Yes, students, 3 times means 3 is multiplied, 3x. Is that clear? Yes, students, understood, no? Okay, and after that, see here, after 5 years, their ages will add to the 66 years. This is the present age. Present age is x and 3x. What about the age after 5 years? After 5 years, here I will take after 5 years, the age of Sahil. What will happen? Will be, yes, students, after 5 years, what will happen? X plus 5. Present age x था, right ना? तो after 5 years के बाद कितना हो गया? X plus 5. For example, तुम लोग का भी एज है 10 years. 10 years एज रहेगा तो after 5 years कितना रहेगा आपका? Yes, students, 15, no, x plus 15, same, sorry, x plus 5. Then the age of, next one, the age of Sahil's mother. Sahil's mother will be, what will happen? Sahil's mother, 3x plus 5. Yes, what about other students? You have to understand this question. Yes, next, understand this. After 5 years, the age will be x plus 5 and 3x plus 5. Then, after 5 years, their ages will add. Question is there add. Add means what we have to take? Yes, students, what we have to take? Plus, right now, x plus 5 plus x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5. Very good. 3x plus 5. They are added here. See, this is addition. They are added up to how much? 66. Now can you solve this? Solve this. Four x plus 10 is equal to 66. Yes, continue. 4x is equal to 66 minus 10. Plus 10 comes this side, that becomes minus 10. Then 4x is equal to 56. Then x is equal to 56 divided by 4. Yes, divide this.
X is equal to 14.
X here 4 ones are 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are, then x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 years. That means who is this x?
Sahil.
Yes, the present age of Sahil. Sahil's present age is 14 years. Then what about his mother age?
14 multiplied by 3.
Yes, 14 multiplied by 3. Very good. His mother's age is 3 into x. Yes, 42 years. So is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Girls, you are there? No one is there?
Only boys are.
Hridaya? Girls are not there. Nobody is there. Hridaya?
No, sir. Only boys are there.
Even Aryakin is also not there.
But they are there, but they are not.
Okay. Take one more. So little bit complicated question. We'll see how many people will solve this. Yes, I know. That's what I'm solving one question based on this. Yes. Try to solve this question. First read the question carefully. So what is given in the question and what we need to find. So do you know meaning of denominations? Students, do you know the meaning of these denominations? So all students must know this denominations. Denominations means what? See here, rupees 100, 50 and 10 are there. Right, now these are called denominations. Rupees 100 rupees note, 50 rupees note and 10 rupees note. So these are called denominations. And here Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank. She is the cashier in a bank. She has currency notes of denominations 100, 50 and 10. Okay, she has the notes of 100, 50, 10. Here 3 notes are there. How many notes are there? 3 types of notes are there, 100, 50 and 10. Okay, but we don't know how many 100 notes are there, how many 50 notes are there, how many 10 rupees notes are there. Okay, so we need to find those things. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. It is given ratio of the notes of these is 2:3:5. Then total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakh. Total cash is also given 4 lakh. And how many notes of each denomination does she have? Here number of notes are in the ratio. Whenever ratio will be given, we can take that common multiple be x. Let us consider, let the ratio common multiple be x. Common multiple be x. See, then 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes will be, what is their first number? Yes students, what is their first number? 2. So that becomes 2x. 100 rupees notes will be 2x. Then rupees 50. Yes, rupees 50. 3x. Good. Then rupees 10. (5x). These are the, see here, number of notes. Students, number of notes will be 2x, 3x and 5x. But question is, you have to find number of notes and the total amount is given. Total amount is always multiplied with number of notes. Okay, then see here, total amount is equal to, total amount is equal to number of notes multiplied with denominations. Number of notes into denomination. So what is the total amount here? 4 lakh. That is equal to number of notes. First one by one, we have to take one by one. What about number of notes of 100? 2x. And what is the denomination of 2x? What is the denomination? 100. Then
plus 3x multiplied by 50.
yes, 3x multiplied by 50 plus 5x multiplied by 10. Let's solve this. 2 into 100, 200x plus 3 5s are 15, 150x plus 50x. Then add these three, 400x. Here 4 lakh will be there. Yes, then x is equal to 4 lakh divided by 400. 0 0 cancelled. 4 ones are 4 ones are. Then x is equal to 1000. X value is 1000. But question is, find the number of notes. Now start. Yes, 100 rupees notes. 2 into 1000. Yes, how many 100 rupees notes are there? 2000. Similarly, find out remaining how many 50 rupees notes will be there. Yes, students. How many 50 rupees notes will be there?
3,000.
3,000. How many 10 rupees notes will be there?
5,000.
5,000. Okay.